Hello and welcome to a new piano tutorial. Today we are going to improvise together, and don't worry, it's going to be simple, fun and very beautiful. You will only need 5 notes in your right hand. So if you've always wanted to improvise but didn't know how to start, in this tutorial I will show you what you can do, every step slowly and clearly. And yes, you can also download the free sheet music I prepared for you. Just click the link in the video description below. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and just give this video a little thumbs up. First of all, we will start with the left hand. We are in the key of A minor, and the chords we will use are A minor, F major, G major and A minor again. And then these 4 chords repeat in a loop. But we will leave out the middle notes, the thirds, and just play the root and the fifth together, like this. Okay, so we only play the pinky and the thumb together. Practice this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can play them in a loop during the whole improvisation. And the best thing is that the chords are so close together that you don't have big jumps in the left hand here. Now, in the next step, we will give the left hand a little bit of rhythm. We will use the 3-3-2 rhythm. What does this mean? I will show this to you. We will count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And every time we count the 1, we will play the chord like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then on the F again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's try this together now. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. For sure, you could also count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Like this, the counting would be correct, but I think for this exercise it's a little bit easier to just count the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 rhythm. Now let's improvise some beautiful melodies. I know that this is a step that can feel a bit overwhelming, especially when you are used to play always with sheet music. Many piano players just don't know where to start or how to start and what to play in the right hand. But now I will show you some simple ideas that you can simply apply, and we are going to improvise now with just 5 notes. So place your thumb on the A and all your fingers up to the E. Okay, these 5 notes, these 5 keys are the first 5 notes of the A minor scale. And you will only need these 5 keys to create your own melodies. Isn't that great? So let's try a few fun variations. First, only play the A with the thumb. And we will use the same rhythm with our thumb like in our left hand. So we are playing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then we go to the F. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, G. Back to A minor. And the thumb stays on the A all the time, and we are doing the same rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Next idea, here we go up with the first 3 notes. That means A, B, C. Okay, like 1, 2, 3. And then we will do this together with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now you can do the same, but from the top to the bottom. That means C, B, A. Okay? Like C, B, A. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now we covered the first 3 notes, and now let's take the upper 3 notes, okay? C, D, E. And we will play them like this. 1, 2, 3, like C, D, E. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And now you can go from the top to the bottom like E, D, C. Okay? 1, 2, 3. E, D, C. 1, 2, 3. E, D, C. Okay? And like this we get more and more variation here. By the way, if you haven't downloaded the free PDF with the sheet music for this tutorial yet, just check the video description below. You will find a link there where you can get it easily, and it will help you remember all these improvisation ideas much better. But now let's go on, because there are waiting some really nice improvisation ideas for you. Now, what you also could do is you could just play the full A minor triad and break it up like this, A, C, E. So here we count 1, 2, 3. So let's try this out. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now what you can also do, you can play the A minor over the first 2 bars, and then you are playing down the scale until you land on the A again. Like this, you are starting A, C, E. In the next bar 2, A, C, E. And now you are going down the scale like D, C, B, A. And you don't lose the rhythm, right? So we start again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Like this, it gives us a nice little contrast, because we don't repeat exactly the same melody for 4 times, and we vary it a little bit like this. Or you can alternate between the A and the C. This way we can build up the whole improvisation, and then it really starts to move. I will show you. Look. So here I alternated between the C and the A. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then I added the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now try the same thing with the E and the C. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. What's also nice is when you are doing C and E over the first 2 bars, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and here again. And on the G, you are going to D and B. And when you are on the A minor, you are going to C and A. So we are starting here. Second bar, third bar, D and B, and last bar, C and A. In the next step, now the real fun begins. We are going to mix all these ideas together, and for example, you can start really soft and then develop some movement in it. For example, you could start really softly playing this. And after this, you can bring in the first ideas. And now just repeat. Now more movement. Higher notes. And then for the end, I could repeat this, what we played in the beginning, that we really play it softly, to announce that the end is coming, okay? For example, like this. And this is how improvisation works and how songwriting starts, when you are putting these little ideas together and really start to play with expression and dynamic. By the way, if you like to learn more about this chord-based approach of learning the piano and your dream is to build beautiful melodies like this spontaneously, then check out my online course Modern Piano 1. The link is also in the video description below. So I really hope you had fun today and that you got lots of ideas for your own improvisation. If you liked this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything new. And of course, feel free to download the sheet music for this tutorial. The link is down in the video description. And if you liked the rhythm pattern today, you should totally watch this video next. In this video, I will show you 5 beautiful pop piano rhythms that every piano player has to know. I would love to see you there.